Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Redmi 9 and let me show you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all, let's find and open the settings, and here we have to scroll and tap on passwords and security. Now let's tap on privacy, it's right here, and here we have to go to advanced section and tap on the encryption and credentials. And as you can see at the very bottom of the list, we've got clear credentials option, so let's tap on it. If you are ready to remove all the contents, tap on OK. If you've got a pattern or a pen, then enter to confirm the whole step. And as you can see, the credential storage has been erased successfully. So that's all. This is how to remove credentials in your Xiaomi Redmi 9. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.